morning. This is PLASU ICT Directorates towards building a smart campus. This tutorial is meant for lecturers, particularly those taking PG courses, PG lecturers, and other lecturers for undergraduate who do not have large classes. The tutorial is meant to show you how to use your PLASU email address in order to conduct or carry out online classes. Okay, and so I'll be using a particular PLASU email address to do this tutorial. So if you log into your PLASU email address, by the time you come to the top right hand corner, you will see these dots, and you see it says Google Apps. If you click it, it's going to bring you a list of applications that are in your Google. Now, every now and then we will make a video on how to teach you how to use each of these applications. So, but for now, we're going to use Google Meet. Now, Google Meet is an application that you can use to have your virtual classes with your students. The current subscription that we have in the university may not permit you to be able to record the session. That is one. And then two, it is also limited to 100 students. Okay, if your class is more than 100, or the participants that will attend this meeting or your class is more than 100, then it is advisable that you think elsewhere. But if the class is less than 100, you can be able to have it. All right. So once you click it, all you need to do is come here, new meeting. Then you say schedule meeting in Google Calendar. You just click schedule meeting. Once you say schedule, it's going to bring out your calendar. All right. Now, this is your calendar. So let's say you want to schedule a class. Let's say maybe AMS 103 class. Maybe, or let's say MSc. I don't know what your course code is. Let's say BOSS 805, for instance. And then let's say computer organization. Now you select the dates that you want to have the session. All right, so maybe we want to have it on Monday 16th. What time? Maybe you want to have it by maybe in the morning. So let's say 8 o'clock. 8 to what time? Maybe 8 to 10. All right. And then if you want to repeat the meeting, for instance, you want to be having this class every Monday, 8 to 10, then you will come here and say repeat, either daily or weekly or fortnightly. You can customize it the way you want. And then after that, then you can come in here, join with Google Meet. You see where it says settings here. If you click this one here, it's going to give you some information about host management. It says let you restrict contributors to who can enable, people that are going to now participate in the meeting. You want to limit what they can do, share screens, send reactions, and things like that. It's advisable to just leave it. If you want to let participants send message during the meeting, fine. But this is where it's very important. Okay, because most of your students do not have a PLASU email address, you just click here, open. All right, open. It says no one has to ask to join. So once you say open, it means that once you share the link to them, they will join automatically. But if you click trusted, it says people can join without asking if they belong to your organization or are invited. Okay, and then here restricted simply means people can join without asking if they are invited using their Google account. So in this case, you have to collect all their email addresses of Google and invite them. But the easiest one is just to pick open. All right. So once you do that, then you are good to go for this one here. Okay, let me zoom it inside. Then you come and say save. You see? So once you say save, that's good. You copy, this is the meeting information. Just copy it here. You want to put notification, you want to put reminder so that it can remind you, maybe 15 minutes. Okay, maybe you want to, maybe 15 minutes to start or whatever you want to. You can even add notification if you want, right? So you can copy the link here and say save. Now, once you save, you have scheduled this particular meeting and it's going to be in your Plasu calendar. All right, it's going to be in your Plasu calendar. Remember, we have set the meeting for a particular date and it will reflect on your calendar here. Can you see it? Now, if you want to start the meeting, you can log in to your meeting. Can you see? Can log into your meeting here, or you go to the dates. Maybe we selected Monday by 8 a.m. Let's see it. You see, look at it, Monday 16th. Can you see? This is it. So you can go to the date and select it. If you select it, you can join the meeting from here, or you can start the meeting. You can say, click the meeting here. But you can also share the link with your students. So if I say use my this thing, so allow this to use my camera. So it's going to show you maybe your mic. This is your mic here. This is your camera. So it's going to show camera, and with this, you can change your background effects. You can come down here, pick any effect that you want. You can change the background. You can do that here. You can change any background that you want or appearance. These are all different types. So once you do that, then you say join. Okay, so once you join, you have sent the link to your students. Your students will be able to now join the link and be part of it. All right, now you have some controls here that you can have. Here is the settings that you've done to enable participants to join. Can you see it's open? You can lock it if you so wish. All right, there are other tools you can play around here. So the more you practice on it, the better you have. So thank you very much. Bye for now from ICT Directorate, Plateau State University.